Hey everyone, welcome back to Amazon finds that are worth buying. Today, we're doing a full head-to-head comparison of 3 of the most popular self-balancing scooters on the market right now. The Segway Ninebot S2, the Razer Hovertrax 2.0, and the Swagtron T6. These 3 cover the whole spectrum from budget-friendly beginner boards all the way up to serious daily use machines. So let's get into it and figure out which one actually deserves your money. Number 1. The Segway Ninebot S2. Price range, around $460 to $550. Let's start with the one that's probably brought you here in the first place, the Segway Ninebot S2. And honestly, it's in the top spot for a reason. The S2 hits 11.2 miles per hour top speed and delivers a real-world range of around 16 to 21 miles on a single charge, which is genuinely impressive. What really sets it apart from the competition is the knee control bar. It's not a traditional flat hoverboard that you just stand on and hope for the best. That bar gives you an actual point of physical contact and control, which makes the whole riding experience feel way more intuitive and, frankly, a lot safer. The dual electric motors combine for 1,600 watts of power and can handle inclines of up to 15 degrees, which covers most city sidewalks without breaking a sweat. The battery is over 40% larger than the previous model, and the smart battery management system protects it while also optimizing its long-term lifespan. You're looking at about a 4.5-hour full charge, which is very reasonable. The frame is high-strength magnesium alloy. It weighs just 30 pounds, but still supports riders up to 220 pounds. Add in customizable RGB wheel lights and a built-in Bluetooth speaker. Add in-app connectivity and a voice-guided learning mode, and this thing feels like a proper premium product. The cons? There's no suspension system, so rough terrain can feel noticeably bumpy at higher speeds. The 220-pound weight limit will also rule out some heavier adult riders. It's the most expensive, and the knee bar design, while a big advantage for control, does make it bulkier to store and transport than a standard flat board. Bottom line on the Segway Ninebot S2. If you're looking for the most polished, feature-rich scooter in this category, the S2 is the clear winner. It's not cheap, but you get what you pay for. Number 2. The Swagtron T6. Price range, around $300 to $500. Coming in at number 2, the Swagtron T6 is a completely different beast. The T6 is built for heavy-duty use. Its 10-inch rugged tubeless tires and 300-watt dual motors can tackle slopes as steep as 30 degrees and support riders up to 420 pounds. That's nearly double the capacity of the Segway S2. Top speed clocks in at 12 miles per hour, and it can power through grass, gravel, and packed dirt with confidence. Battery range is around 12 miles, and a full charge takes roughly 2 to 3 hours, which is faster than the S2. Bluetooth connectivity and a companion app are included as well. Customers consistently praise the T6's durability and off-road capability, with many noting it handles rough terrain and long rides really well. The cons? At around 30 pounds, it's a heavy unit, and reliability has been a concern for some riders. It's not quite the bulletproof machine you might expect. The braking system has a learning curve, and because it's a flat design with no knee bar, it's inherently harder to control than the S2. The 12-mile range is also noticeably lower. Bottom line on the Swagtron T6, it's the best option for heavier riders, off-road enthusiasts, or anyone who prioritizes toughness over refinement. It's uniquely capable. Number 3. The Razer Hovertrax 2.0. Price range, around $150 to $200. This is the most affordable and a solid entry-level option. Razer essentially launched the category, and the Hovertrax 2.0 features EverBalance technology. It levels the board before you even step on, making mounting easier for beginners. It tops out at about 8 miles per hour and offers roughly an hour of use per charge, which puts it squarely in the casual fun category rather than serious commuting. It's a smaller, lighter board with 6.5-inch wheels, which makes it easy to carry, but also means it handles bumps noticeably worse than the competition. The cons? The performance gap is real. At 8 miles per hour, it's substantially slower than the Segway S2, and the range is limited enough that longer rides leave you walking. There's no app integration, no knee bar for stability, and the smaller wheels mean you really do need smooth pavement. It's also not for heavier riders. Bottom line on the Razer Hovertrax 2.0. It's a good entry-level board for kids or anyone who just wants something fun and affordable. Just don't expect it to replace your commute. So which one should you actually buy? Here's the simple version. If budget isn't the deciding factor and you want the best all-around experience, get the Segway Ninebot S2. The range, build quality, knee control, and smart features are in a class of their own. If you're a heavier rider or want off-road capability, the Swagtron T6 is the one. The Swagtron T6 handles what the others can't. And if you're buying for a younger kid or just want something cheap and fun, the Razor Hovertrax 2.0 does the job. It won't break the bank. All 3 products are linked in the description below. If this video helped you out, hit subscribe. We drop new Amazon finds every week, so you never waste money on something that doesn't deliver. See you in the next one.